I'm going to show you a technique for stylizing your traced images. I pulled up a picture of a fish. On a new layer, I'm going to trace. Using the warp tool, I'm going to push around my outline to try to make this fish look a little bit more cartoony. This is a great technique for tightening up proportions and also modifying your sketches. Once you have the desired look, now you can outline. Now that we've outlined, let's color. I'm going to start out by building a silhouette and blocking in with a solid base color. Using Alpha Lock, I can start to paint other details. I'm going to continue this to build up all of the colors from my reference image. Now that we've done all of our detail painting, we're going to add shadows and highlights. An easy trick for this is using the auto selection tool. This will let you select solid colors. You can drag left to right to adjust the harshness. Once this is selected, I can paint inside. I'm going to grab an artistic gouache brush and I'm going to start to change the different tones. I'm going to add highlights and shadows. With the block color still selected, I can use the smudge tool. When you do this all around, it will start to make your painting really come alive. Look at that fishy!